Hey guys, welcome back. And today we're going to make bubble slime. So the ingredients needed to make bubble slime is contact solution with baking soda or other safe types of activators. You're going to need bubbles, a mixing bowl and a mixing spoon, some paint or food coloring. I'm using purple, and glue. You can use clear glue or white glue. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is pour in your glue into your bowl. You can use clear glue or white glue. It really doesn't matter. I just have a big gallon of clear glue that I'm going to use because that's the only glue I have currently. But it doesn't really matter what type of glue you use. And bubble slime makes bubbles form on top of your slime, so make it very, very bubbly and pokey. So this is the glue as you see. And next, I'm going to add the paint. Okay, so I mixed in the purple. And then next you're going to grab your bubbles and pour about a teaspoon of that. And maybe if you're making a bigger slime than this, you can add more. But I'm just going to use a tablespoon for the amount of glue and paint I have. So once you added your bubbles, you are not supposed to add water, so make sure you didn't add water. But next you're going to get your activator and start activating. So you're going to get about a pinch of baking soda or a little bit more, a pinch or two, depending how big your bowl is. But you're just going to mix that in really well. Now please don't add the activator before the baking soda, because what would happen is the baking soda will become in chunks and it would not look good. So you're just going to have white chunks in your slime. So I do not recommend doing that. So make sure you add the baking soda first, then mix it very, very, very well, then start activating with your contact solution. Alright, let's just pour some in there. Now, I will have other types of safe activators in the description down below if you guys are wondering what you can use and what types of glues. So there's a glue, it's Nickelodeon, and they come in many different colors. It does not work with contact solution. You only have to use baking soda. But you're going to keep activating until the slime starts to get off of the spoon, off of the bowl, and sticks on the spoon. But if you put your hands in before that, your hands will get really sticky, and I wouldn't recommend that. So just wait until it kind of clumps all together like that. So I'm going to keep activating until it's all activated. Alright, so this is what the slime looks like after. And you're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes and bubbles will start forming. But if you leave it overnight, there will be more bubbles. As you see, the bubbles do make it a lot stretchier. And this is a very good slime. I really love it. So I'm going to let it sit for a while, and then we're going to show you guys up close what the bubbles look like. So this is what it's supposed to look like when you're letting it sit. And today's shoutouts go to my cousin, and the second shoutout goes to Ari Mundell. Thank you guys so much. This recipe was made by my cousin, so make sure you try this recipe out because it's a really good recipe, and a lot of people have bubbles at home for little kids or maybe for like a party occasion. So as you see now, bubbles are forming on the top of it, but you're just going to let it sit for a while. So I'll be back with you guys in a while. So as you see, I didn't let it sit for so long, but it's just been sitting there for about 2 minutes, and it is starting to bubble up. So you can add a lot or a little bit, but the more you put in, the more jiggly it gets. So I think this is a really good slime. So make sure you go check out these stores to see if you can buy any of these ingredients. just in case you don't have them. And I'll have the ingredients down below if maybe you forgot. And make sure you try it out, because it's a really cool slime. And my cousin made the recipe, and I want you guys to try it out because it's a really good slime, and I really enjoy it as well. This is an awesome slime. It's so pretty. I did put some glitter in it. It's very stretchy too. I think it does make it a lot more stretchier. So it's very nice, very squishy. So make sure you try my cousin's recipe that we did in this video, and make sure you guys comment what you guys want to see next. Make sure you like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!